Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just go to search bar, type services and open it. On this window, we need to search for Windows Audio. Simply right click on it and select properties, then set startup type as manual, then click on apply and then OK. Now close this window, and in the next method, just go to search bar, type device manager and click here to open it. On this window, we need to expand sound, video and game controllers. Just right click on the driver, select properties, then on this window select drivers tab and click on update drivers. So here click on the first, search automatic default drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then it will download the latest drivers for the driver. Then close this window, and in the last method, just go to search bar, type here settings, click here to open it. Once we are here, just scroll down and search for troubleshoot, then click here to expand it, then click on other troubleshooters, and from playing audio simply click on run. So this will try to detect the problems, and it will show the what's the problem actually it is. Then we need to select S and check this box, click on apply and then OK. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe channel.